All right, our next one, example 12, enlarging a circle. So it says to apply an enlargement with center, the origin, and factor 3 to the circle. So we're blowing it up by a factor of 3. But it also has asked us to apply enlargement with center, the origin, and factor 3 to the circle. Interesting. All right, so the first one, we have x plus 1 all squared equals y minus 1 all squared equals 1. So let's actually write that one down. So our center for this particular one is going to be at minus 1, 1. So minus 1, 1 is our center, and our radius is 1. So we're going to have a circle that looks a little bit like that. Probably more circular, but that'll do. Now this one, we need to scale it to a factor of 3. So let's have a look at this. So if we want to do that, we end up with x over 3 plus 1 all squared plus y over 3 plus 1. Oh, sorry, one of them's a minus. This one's a minus. Minus 1 all squared equals 1. And that's great, but it's not really that useful to us. It gets a bit messy. So what can we do? If we multiply everything by 3, so I'll multiply everything in this bracket by 3, I end up with x plus 3 all squared. And multiply everything in this bracket by 3, I end up with y plus minus 3 all squared. And then I have to multiply this by 3 twice. So I had to multiply it by 3 squared, technically, which gives me 9, which means I now have a circle with a center at minus 3, 3, and a radius of 3. So minus 3, 3 is where my circle center is, and that means I'm going to have a circle that looks a little bit like that. There we go. Terrible circles, I apologize.